Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aiyana and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never seen my face before. Welcome to my room. So I've recently gotten a lot of questions on my room, where I've gotten certain things and how I've done certain things to achieve this look. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys kind of like my little tips and tricks on how I got my room to be what it is today. Unfortunately, it's not exactly how I want it to be in like my dream room, but I'm just gonna show you what I have so far. In a couple months, we'll be leaving this place and I'm kind of sad because like the natural lighting, just the overall space, the lighting. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. So let's get started. This is an overall view of my room. So of course the center focal point is my back wall where my bed is, and it's also my favorite part of my room just because it kind of like sets the tone for everything. I have this DIY canopy, use some curtains. I also have really been obsessed with juju hats, and no, this is not a real one. I actually got it from Hobby Lobby for like 20 bucks or something like that. We love a deal. I have white crisp sheets with like this tufted detail, which I really love. I really wanted to stick with a neutral palette with brass and gold accents, kind of warm it up. Love plants and how it kind of really gives that tropical bohemian vibe, so I have plants hanging. I have a set of 3 macrame planters that I got from Amazon, which were very inexpensive, and I just mounted them on my ceiling with some C-hooks you could get from any hardware store. My palm tree is from Amazon as well. I layered and grouped a lot of things just to make it feel a little more cozy. My nightstands you may have seen in a previous DIY where I painted them and gave them a whole new life and look. So if you haven't seen that video, I will leave it linked down below. I still am in love with these mirrors that my mom got me from Hobby Lobby as well. I love that raw wood look. Now on this wall, I have this macrame dream catcher type of thing that I got from TJ Maxx, I want to say. Moving on, this is the newest setup that I have in my room, and I just kind of like rearranged it the other night. These little hats, life hack, fun fact, check your 99-cent store, your dollar stores for hats like this if you love this look but you never wear hats, which I love the look, never wear hats. These vases, these woven vases I got from Target. They were originally $30 and I got them for $8. We love a deal. And so I got this big banana leaf, or I don't know, honestly I don't know what plant it is, but it is from Target as well. My little light box that says less haram, more halal, and if you want to know more about that, Google it. And this is just kind of like a cute little selfie station and just kind of lush and green, and I love it with the little faux fur rug as well. And then these cubes I've had since my studio apartment. I've had in my studio apartment before, and they're just white with some gray baskets, and I house like my underwear and stuff like that, so I kind of use it as a dresser slash TV stand. I haven't quite got around to getting like a proper dresser, which is next on my list, probably with some tapered legs and some wood accents. You know, this is my room and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions about where I got anything, just leave your questions in the comments down below and I'll be sure to answer those for you. If you liked this video and found it inspirational or helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see like room transformations and more tours and things like that, also give me a thumbs up so I know you want to see those as well. Subscribe, because why not, and follow me on all my social medias. I'll leave them linked down below and at the end slate at the end of this video. And I think that's it, so I'll see you guys in my next one.